Mày y cái này cái tụp à? Bánh bông bẹt. Tao mà mẹ mà nụ ai? Ai mà ya mẹ yang birthday Christmas. Satu sini aku bener. Mày thọ mà mẹ bị maya. Siapa? Ban teriak maya mẹ là mày. Maya lagi cukup angel sah.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Menteri Rangba ka jala Conrad ke sangma haka khat santarik uyayong arjar penreu. Ula plepaj ba ya ka Block Integrated Development Complex jaka Nongtrei C&Rd block. Hak bala sakilang do MLA ka Nongtrei ba Gabriel Walang, MLA ka Rambrai u Arm Momin, ka Deputy Commissioner ka Hema Nayak, u SP u ba Herbat Karkengor, u video ki officer sarkar ki Nongtrei ki Rangba Snong bat ki paj Nongsong Snong. Habakran kumukongsan Menteri Rangba uli tu. Bag sarkar kala penlut kumba ars pak keluar bersnai ke jing traikam bethamai hagi sau penritoli ki C&Rd block. Mat nalor kata kala mang pisaru bersna syu ya ki jing traikam hagi spautoli ki block kanang ban pensuk ya jing jing sakri ya ki paiba.
Video. You're not there then? Yeah. The block is only a building.
Sarkar kalau persian Conrad di 5-star hotel hangne ko kajala kecungi kajing tubu kolom Conrad ban ailat ai kam ai jam migi kena kecungi anda yang mengipak pada ki social media teng ada kekentin sparu la penungkam da kekentin kabongso tenan tekini Conrad ya kajing soto bakla ya ki paiba ke bagi kecungi to dolong di bausiar abang ipak di social media kecungi jaga jingtmu ko haja sarkar teng lasu pendamnya no dakinia kamkai dakinia ki bom shongnya je hai haga jaga bagin ai ge jinoro lara gila yo ite bisuwa niyo i project ko ko Nongtrei hato gin songo ningin bengila ningin le tong ka surak ka basyu kata ka basyu kane ka pabyan katai ka pabyan tong ni hon shwa yak e ka gila ban yo la kendiat in sapoi jaka thom jaka jiyo ko batam haro ya da wira sedang mo berketok katur pabdap katai ko into sakani ina kwa sakatai kita kwa kamdei ta Nongtrei konsensi lan kabalaban yo ita ki jiyo kamdei ta west kasil andrai kare ke jelahi para kawai kajai pendro juli karon kamman kiu karon kami kata ke jiye karon kami ke jiye jan karon kamro banyaro ya kejimlah tu masyarakat Conrad ya keroi kepar kamtam hagari gadong west kasil juni.
At the very outset, I thank God Almighty for His continuous blessings that He has showered upon each and every one of us. And especially the blessing of this wonderful new building which will serve thousands of people who fall under the Nongtrei C&Rd block. Many years back, when I was just an MLA, I had visited my then block, rather even before becoming an MLA. And the block was Silsila C&Rd block. And I remember entering the office, which I can tell you was even smaller than the old Nongtrei C&Rd block. I would think that C&Rd block was only 1/5 of the size of this block. And I remember all the officers and different departmental representatives were in the same room in different tables. And forget the public, there wasn't even enough space for the officials to sit. And that memory is still so fresh in my mind when I remember asking myself, how can you expect the officials to deliver service to the people with this kind of infrastructure? And I remember telling myself in that moment that when I do get an opportunity to make a difference, I will ensure that I gave new block offices to all the C&Rd blocks. So it was that small experience that led to a big decision which we made in the government. And today I'm happy to tell you that in the long history of our state, where many blocks were functioning from rented buildings, many blocks were functioning from a single room or maybe 2 rooms at the most, that today, after spending close to 200 crores, all the old 46 blocks of the state, before we sanctioned or created new blocks, all of them have been given a new building. Most are complete. Some of them are on the verge of completion. The new 10 blocks, also, new buildings have been sanctioned. And I expect that within the next couple of years, those blocks also will be complete. The building will remain a building. It is the people who are working in it who will make this a block office. I urge our BDO, I urge every single staff, from the chowkidar to the peon, to the accountant, to everybody. Don't think that your job is small or big. You have a responsibility. In fact, all of us have a responsibility. But in terms of this block, I can only urge the staff who's working here. Just one word that I would like to leave behind. And that is kindness. Please be kind to the poor people. That is 50% of the work done. Even if you're having a bad day, there is no reason that the poor person coming from the village, who doesn't know anything, needs to suffer or needs to bear the brunt of what you may be going through at that point in time.